My name's Kyler Hardacre. I'm here with Liam Paul, and today we're going to be having a steak cook-off competition to see who can cook the better steak.
All right, so for my rub, we're going to be using olive oil, and then for the seasonings, we're going to be using salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Montreal steak.
Okay, for my steak, I'm just keeping it simple, salt and pepper, pat it down with the paper towel, just keeping it simple.
Oh, you rub that steak with that olive oil. Here's Liam being a good boy, cooking steaks for his dog.
All right, these are my 4 steaks right here. This is the competition steak. Now I'm just waiting for the olive oil to get up to temp to put the steaks on.
Okay, so basically, I think Liam seasoned his steak like way too much. I'm like keeping it simple, you know. I think there's an element to this, and I think he's a rookie, and I'm more of a veteran. I think he's not really on my level yet. He's not butter basting his steak.
Yeah, what happened today?
Also, I'm not familiar with the cast skillet, so we're just like sitting in it for the first time. How do I open this, Liam? Oh my. See, this is how you can tell Liam's a rookie, because he's not in this advanced of the category than me yet. Like I'm in SpongeBob.
I'm just gonna sear the sides real quick. We're gonna wrap it for about 5 to 7 minutes with butter and thyme in it. All right, cool. Here, Kyler, you can use this whenever you want. All right, so now we got the butter. Just gonna go in with the thyme on top of it.
Do you guys like Wyland football? Huh? You guys like Wyland football? You do? Good, good. We before me.
All right, the end product, this is my steak.
This is my steak.
Kyler's steak. Now it's time to taste test, see who's better.
All right, this is steak number 1. All right. All right, how many bites should I take of it?
As many as you want.
Okay. The fat is very good. Definitely tastes a lot of salt, so this might be Kyler's. This is very buttery already. I can taste it with my fingers. All right, that was a bad bite. Hang on. Do I have steak on my fork?
Yep.
That one's also really good. It's very buttery. I like that. So, I have to try the fat of steak number 2. So, why is it so tough? All right, that's a no-go. I can't, the fat is a lot tougher on that one. And the winner of the steak competition is number 2. Liam's the winner.